Today we'll be going over how to find the inverse of exponential functions. Inverses of exponential functions are written in logarithmic form.
In our first example, y equals 2 to the power of x plus 5. The first step is to switch x and y. Next, we need to isolate y. In this case, we need to subtract 5 from each side. Since y is an exponent, we can isolate it by converting it into a log. To do this, you start off by writing log and use the base of the exponent, which is 2, as the base of the log. Next, you put x minus 5 into parentheses since it's on the side of the equation that doesn't have the y. This entire thing is equal to the inverse of y, which is written as y to the negative 1. Keep in mind that the answer to any log is the exponent.
Our second example is y equals negative 7 to the power of x plus 18. First, we switch x and y. Then you isolate y by subtracting 18 on both sides. The last step is to convert into a log. Since negative 7 was the base of the exponent, it becomes the base of the log. You're allowed to have a negative base since negative 7 was in parentheses. The x minus 18 goes in parentheses, and the entire thing is equal to the inverse of y.
Our last example is y equals 15 to the negative x minus 1. Begin by switching x and y. Then we isolate y by adding 1 to both sides. We then turn it into a log, so the base is 15 and x plus 1 is in parentheses. Because the equation is equal to negative y, we're going to divide everything by negative 1. The final answer would be negative log with a base of 15, x plus 1 equals the inverse of y.
It's really easy to make mistakes, so here's some things to keep in mind. The first mistake that people make is stopping after switching x and y. So make sure you keep going until you get to a log. Something else that people mess up on is converting into a log. Make sure that the base of the exponent is the base of the log, and stuff on the side without y goes in parentheses.
Thank you for watching, and we hope this video helps.